Ready for our Maine trip. Are you guys excited? We have 4 hours, 4-hour drive.
She said she didn't have no love. Raise the kids the very best she can. She told me she was all alone.
Who raised these kids?
My friend.
I literally hauled my ass inside the camper while Danny's pumping gas to make everyone sandwiches. We all have a sandwich, we have a go-gurt, and we have little juice boxes. Because if we would have stopped to buy food, we would have spent a crap ton of money. So, sir, can I get a ride? Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jose. Happy birthday to you. Feliz, feliz en tu día. Amiguito, que Dios te bendiga. Que reine la paz en tu día. Y que cumplas muchos más. Wish. Woo!